Hello everyone. Are you someone who wants to make money on YouTube but doesn't know where to start? Well, you're in the right place. With over 2 billion monthly active users, YouTube is a platform that can provide you with endless opportunities to earn money. But it's important to remember that success on YouTube doesn't happen overnight. It requires dedication, hard work, and patience. First, you need to create high-quality content that will engage and captivate your audience. Be consistent and upload videos regularly so that your viewers can expect content from you. Next, you need to build your audience. Engage with your viewers by responding to comments, hosting Q&A sessions, and collaborating with other creators. Use social media to promote your channel and reach a wider audience. Now, let's talk about monetization. YouTube offers several ways to make money, including ad revenue, brand deals, merchandise sales, and more. But to qualify for monetization, you need to meet certain requirements, such as having at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. Finally, remember to stay true to yourself and your values. Don't compromise your integrity for the sake of making money. Focus on creating content that you're passionate about and that your viewers will love. In conclusion, making money on YouTube is not an easy task, but it's definitely possible with hard work and dedication. Keep creating great content, engage with your audience, and take advantage of monetization opportunities. Remember, success is a journey, not a destination. So, keep pushing forward and never give up on your dreams. Good luck.